Is it time to buy or sell Coeptis Therapeutics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Coeptis Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of September 2025, our system has ranked Coeptis Therapeutics as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 6.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.12% since we first identified Coeptis Therapeutics as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.19% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 55.95% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 42.09% to 89.47%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 13.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 26.86% to positive 457.85% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $10.15 and $77.43. Our latest daily update for Coeptis Therapeutics includes the headline, Strong Day for Coeptis Therapeutics Incorporated stock price on Friday, rising 10.6% to $13.88. The Coeptis Therapeutics Incorporated stock price gained 10.6% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 19th of September 2025, rising from $12.55 to $13.88. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.69% from a low of $12.77 to a high of $13.88. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 13.12% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 94,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 148,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $2,060,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $66.08 and the lowest was $2.31. Currently, the price is 79% or $52.20 below the 52-week high and 96.76% or $414.52 below the all-time high on the 28th of October, 2022. When the price reached $428.40. Coeptis Therapeutics, ticker COEP, has been active this year with a series of strategic actions that are causing short-term fluctuations while shaping potential long-term opportunities and risks. The company submitted a Form S-4 to advance its proposed merger with Z-Squared, a transaction that would divest its biopharma assets and shift part of the business towards large-scale Dogecoin mining. This announced shift has led to shareholder investigations and class action inquiries, resulting in regulatory and litigation uncertainties. On a positive note, Coeptis eliminated a convertible note with YA2, which reduces the risk of dilution and strengthens the balance sheet. In the biotechnology sector, Coeptis obtained worldwide rights to a next-generation gear cell therapy platform, established Gear Therapeutics, and its majority-owned Snap Biosciences secured a licensing agreement with Monarch to progress Snap CAR-NK oncology programs. Furthermore, the company has ventured into partnerships focused on artificial intelligence and robotics. In the short term, anticipate fluctuations driven by news. The payoff of debt is a positive development, while the merger and investigations present challenges. In the long run, the company's valuation will depend on its execution. Advancements in cell therapy and licensing could lead to significant growth, whereas a full transition to cryptocurrency mining could expose the stock to unpredictable cryptocurrency markets and regulatory scrutiny. Key catalysts to watch include merger approvals, developments in litigation, clinical and licensing achievements, and early revenue from new technology partnerships. Analysts have assigned Coeptis Therapeutics stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Coeptis Therapeutics. Coeptis Therapeutics Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $12.82 and $12.50. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, August 18, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 5.29%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, identified 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, detected 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, which occurred 50 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, noted 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, which was present 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Coeptis Therapeutics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $12.31 and $11.91. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, Coeptis Therapeutics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $12.31. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.91 and $11.26. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.11 between its high and low, which is approximately 8.69%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.87%. Before we dive into the potential beneficial trading levels for Coeptis Therapeutics, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and heightened risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Coeptis Therapeutics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coeptis Therapeutics is at $13.97. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Coeptis Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $12.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Coeptis Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for the stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 4th of March, 2025, when Deschamps Philippe executed an insider purchase of 5,700 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.29, representing a decline of 4.22%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal arising from a pivot top identified 23 days ago. Is Coeptis Therapeutics stock a good buy? Coeptis Therapeutics Inc. demonstrates several positive indicators and is currently following a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a favorable choice at these levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we anticipate Coeptis Therapeutics to open lower by 370 cents, starting at $13.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.